Welcome back, fellow Toyota enthusiasts. We're back here at I Need a Bigger Garage headquarters, where I have my AE86. I have some really exciting news. I wanted to do like a whole walkthrough, but I'll save that for a later date. But I got a new product that just came in, and I want to share with you what it is and explain like how long I've been waiting for something like this to come back on the market, and also show you guys where to buy it. So I'm gonna, basically reveal it, put it all together and install it. So yeah, let's check it out. All right, so what we have here is my Levin corner light, and this has now been upgraded to a clear lens. So this was made by Jose Gonzalez. His Instagram handle will be in the description, as well as right here below. Yeah, basically he makes all these really cool clear and different colored plastic parts for various old school cars, not just including Toyotas, but he made another piece, which are the coupe tail light lenses in clear. I was like, hey, can you possibly make these? Because I've been looking for a set of these clear lenses to replace the stock OEM orange ones for years now, and there's always like this hope that it'll come back in stock, but whoever made them in Japan back in the day, and I believe somebody else in Europe, just stopped supplying them and making them. There is somebody who sells like a whole entire lens on eBay, but it's like super expensive. So yeah, Jose makes these in clear. I'm pretty sure he does them in other colors, but yeah, I'll basically include his link in the description. Basically, hit him with a DM, and he'll get you all the details. And the best part is that he's located in the US, so it really only just takes a few days for it to get to your house after he's done making them for you from scratch. But yeah, so what we'll have to do is get a little bit more of this RTV out of here. I'm going to scrape it out. I won't really show you that process. I'll just use a small pick, and then we'll put some new RTV silicone, and then we'll install it on the car. Okay, so I tried doing a test fit. Noticed that I had to be as thorough as possible getting out all of this gunk, old silicone and whatnot. So I used some Goo Gone, which you can buy at pretty much any hardware store or automotive store. Then I cleaned it up a little bit with some, window cleaner. Brand doesn't really matter, I guess, if it's good. But yeah, I had to do a lot of scraping. Use a small screwdriver to get in there and just like get these chunks out, so I can lay down some Permatex clear adhesive sealant, silicone RTV. Again, you can buy this stuff at your local hardware store, because when I was test fitting all this, I noticed like one side would stick up here, or just getting all different types of gaps. So you really want to get as much of this stuff out as possible. The Goo Gone really makes it soft and malleable, so if you add some silicone on top, it shouldn't be too much of an issue. So I'm gonna try to get this baby on here so I can install it on the that is the driver's side here. There seems to be, you know, a little gap in my original lens here. It's probably gonna irk me for a long time, so I might just end up warming up this whole lens and seeing if I could squeeze this seam back on. If not, I'll just buy a new set. If you look up there, there's a new box, some new fiberglass fenders, to see if I can get rid of this other nuisance here. But there they are. Jose Gonzalez special edition Levin corner lens. So, hope you enjoyed watching some of that there. I definitely had some fun getting these to fit the way I wanted to. Some notes I would say is that you are gonna probably have to use some sort of disc or wheel, kind of something like this, to maybe shave off a few pieces. I would test fit before actually laying down the silicone to see if it pops in perfectly and lines up. Kind of really don't want to have much of a gap here. And yeah, you know, and if you're going to be driving the car the same day, look at the back of the instructions for your Permatex silicone to make sure that it is properly cured, just to avoid any sort of accidents or water getting in there. But yeah, that's about it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we got some more AE86 content coming your way soon. Thanks.